everyone, and it's very nice to see all of you here. Thank you for coming on time today. So today we'll be discussing on 3 listed agenda, and I hope all of you have the copy of today's agenda. Okay. Alright, so today we discuss the 3 listed agenda under special business, which are firstly the plan for flexible event, secondly to spread awareness through social media, and lastly to know the progress for our 2 events, which are the 5 days to survive event and a lend a hand event. Okay, so as we all know, Fatih and her department has been working on a plan for a flexible event for our charity run. So I would like to know how the progress and also explanation will be.
So my team already discussed to name the event as Run for Charity. The purpose for this event is to raise funds because we need a large amount of money to help the homeless people. We also the purpose of the Run for Charity event being held because we want to raise awareness among the people, because there is some people do not know about the homeless people. So we agreed to the registration fee. We agreed to set 100 ringgit per person. However, the participant can also the running track for their running for charity. For example, 5 km, 10 km, and 15 km. And this distance may cost differently according to their running track. For 5 km, we already set for 100 ringgit, 7 km for 150 ringgit, 15 km for 200 ringgit. We also have set up a fundraising software that will help our Run for Charity event can be managed easily. So I think this software can be explained more by our ICT and communication manager.
Thank you. Just to let all of you know that my department had set up a web page for the fundraising, and we named the web page as Run for Charity. The purpose of having this web page is actually to spread the news easily. As we can see that social media can be one of the fastest way to spread the news. And besides, it is easy for the people to register for our events. My team and I also create accounts for Facebook page and Instagram and other social media. And up to this week, we already have about 5,000 to 6,000 followers. And they really support for our event. They keep contacting us and reposting the news to others. And one more thing, I have a very good news to share with you. Since that people are really aware to this matter and keep talking about the event, I got a call from one of the radio station, Hot FM, and they are willing to sponsor our events with their advertisement slot. And they already aired our event yesterday, and they will help us to spread more about our events.
Okay, radio station collaboration. It is a very good result from your department, and I would like to know more about the sponsorship, perhaps.
Okay, for the Run for Charity event, we already received some sponsorship from Nestle. They will provide us with Milo and Rico, 100 Plus, Vitagen, and Spritzer, the mineral water. We also received sponsorship from Adidas. They will sponsor us for this event with their t-shirt.
Okay. Is there any more question regarding the explanation?
No.
Okay, I think everyone clear about that. Before that, I'm aware that the IT department has sent us email so regarding the web page, right? So I hope that everyone will will open the link and take a look at it. Okay. For item 2, we continue to item 2 and we will go fast into this. Item 2 is to spread awareness through social media. And this is we need to focus so that the society will the long-term result will be on the society responsibility to it, the poor. So how about the progress?
As we already have a good collaboration with radio station, the people start to follow up for our events and they want to know more about our events. Besides, there are also some of the bloggers promoting for our events. our websites. And recently, I also discussing with magazine and newspaper company to put our event details in their advertisement page. As we are currently focusing more than one state, so the people from each state can know more about our events. And my team and I also reminded people about our next event, which is Lend a Hand event that will be held soon.
Okay. That's a clear explanation, I think. So, is there any question?
Can I know the name of the company, of the newspaper company?
We collaborate with NST and Sunday newspaper, and I forgot to say that we also distribute some charity flyers for educational events.
Is there anything you want to ask? Okay, we move to our third item, the last item for today meeting, which are to discuss the progress for our two events, which are 5 Days to Survive event and Lend a Hand event. And for 5 Days to Survive event, which will be take place for straight 5 days and will be take place in 5 different states. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. So Fatih, perhaps you can explain more regarding this event.
So this event will be held in 5 different cities, which is Kuala Lumpur, Selangor, Johor Bahru, Melaka and Penang. So the purpose of this event is to help the homeless people in their daily basis and give hope to them that there is still people that care about them. So we as the event we receive many attention from another people, we also receive some sponsorship, and we also collaborate with Dapur Jalanan, the Child Soup Kitchen, the TV Soup Kitchen, and Dignity for Children Foundation. They will provide us with lunch pack and mineral water. So we also receive some volunteer from IPT student, which is from 5 different states, which is Uni KL, Multimedia and Science University, University Technology Malaysia, UTM and USM.
Is there anything?
Oh, I forgot to add that the total amount of homeless people that we will provide with lunch pack is about 1,700, and it will cost about 500,000 ringgit this year.
500,000. Okay. Perhaps I need to hear more explanation regarding the budget.
Okay, as stated by Fatih earlier, the 5 Day to Survive event costs around 500,000, but sadly to announce that based on our current account, we can only provide 90,000 for this event. Hence, I urge you to look for some sponsorship to meet your budget.
Okay, thank you for your notice earlier. So me and my team will discuss this as soon as possible, and I will give this notice to you later.
Alright. I understand here that our company will only support amount of 90,000, and the rest will be on our sponsor partner. And this is all clear here.
Yes.
Okay, I think we can move to the 1 month event that will be take place in 3 weeks from now, which are a Lend a Hand event. This is to target for society responsibility. And perhaps Fatih, you can explain that what you have been prepared for this event.
So for this event will be held in all states in Malaysia. I think, if I'm not mistaken, 14 states in Malaysia, right? So each day will be set a charity house that society can give their donations, such as food, clothes, and toiletries to the charity house. So after this event was closed, we will distribute this donation to the homeless people. So for this event, we also receive some help from Jabatan Kebajikan Masyarakat.
Okay. Is there any more explanation or question?
I would like to ask, but based on what I know, that we receive certain amount of money from people for this Lend a Hand event. Is it true, Fatih?
Yes, it is true that we receive some money from other people, and I think I will my team will create another account for this donation, and I will tell you as soon as possible.
Yes, I guess that's the best solution, as the money will not miss out with our company. Thank you.
Clear. This event will be take place in 3 weeks duration from now, and I
Yeah.
hope that everything clear between the department manager.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any more? Perhaps any other business?
I think maybe you want to explain a little bit about our income project.
So for our incoming project will be in project for housing first. The purpose for the housing first is to give the homeless people a job training and give them some healthcare service. We will also monitor their financial. If they are stable enough, they can move to their house, and at the same time we will find another homeless people that we will give training to them.
Thank you for that. But it's okay that we discuss it now, but we will still discuss it more in our next meeting next month. I think that is all for our today meeting. Before I forgot, I hope that I hope that everyone can work hard with this event, and thank you for your cooperation till now. I think that is all for today. Any other question or anything related?
I guess no. Everything clear.
Alright, thank you. That is all.
Alright, thank you.